Wow, very nourishing and yummy veg egg sauce. If you want to know how I prepare this recipe, keep watching. So guys, for this recipe, we've got pumpkin leaf, olive oil, sliced onions, seasoning cube, sliced tomatoes and fresh pepper, 5 eggs, and salt for taste. That is all we'll be using. Thank you. So we are going to put our pot on the hob for it to dry up. Immediately add your olive oil once the pot has dried up. Once you've added the olive oil, immediately add your sliced onions because we are not frying anything. Once you've added it up, you stir around for the onions to saute. Then you add your sliced tomatoes followed by the sliced pepper. You keep on stirring. Just stir and make sure they all combine together. Just the way I'm doing it. If you haven't subscribed to Justanworld TV, please kindly subscribe to support us. Like this video, give it a thumbs up, then immediately add your seasoning cube and still stir. So like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment. Your comment will do a lot to this channel. It will help us to grow. Then stir the eggs, add the salt to taste and still beat. Then once you've seen that the tomatoes is cooked, add your veggies, your pumpkin leaves immediately and don't stir. You see the way I'm doing it, don't stir. So you now add the beaten egg that you've added salt to taste and you will spread it around the way I'm doing it. You spread it around, yes, that way. Then you set the plate aside and combine everything together. You see the way I'm doing it. Please like this video, share this video, comment, help us to grow, okay? God bless you, my royalties. I really appreciate your support. Alright, we cover up for it to cook for a minute to 2 minutes. Once you have cooked, you can see that your veg egg sauce is ready. In the comment section, tell me what you prefer to eat this veg egg sauce with on the comment section, and the whole measurement is in the description box down below, so feel free to check my measurements on the description box. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you soon with another mouth-watering recipe. Thank you so much. Like, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe, and I will see you soon. Bye.